Since we've recently spoken about market adjustments, I want to address one common complaint that I've consistently heard throughout my career in compensation. People often go to their leadership, human resources, or straight to the compensation team with complaints about their pay, and they will inevitably bring with them numbers and ranges that they have found on sites like Glassdoor or other salary information websites. There are a few issues with this approach to requesting a wage audit. First, most people don't take the time to consider their location or company when looking up these rates. A small local company is not going to be able to compete from a compensation perspective with a large corporation. Additionally, companies in small rural towns are not going to be able to pay what those companies in a big city would pay. And to be completely honest, they shouldn't even try to. Companies must pay within their budgets and needs. This unfortunately means that in some cases your ambitions may be too big for the company you're at. Second, most of these websites are open source data collection sites. This means that anyone can participate, they can list any hourly rate or salaried amount that they want, and there are little to no validation methods available to ensure the numbers are correct. Given that many employees don't fully understand compensation beyond what's on their check, and there are numerous factors that go into market surveys, these open source sites are actually unreliable. If you consider the money your company has on the line and the investment they are making in their future and in yours, they can't build a compensation structure around spotty sourcing. You can still use Glassdoor, but understand that they will not take your numbers into great consideration. So be reasonable when you talk to your company, and don't think that because these sites say you should make X amount, that you have all the answers and know exactly what you should be paid.